Hi everyone, we're going to discuss the polar equation and graph by hand. Recall in the introductory video that R equals E times P over 1 minus E sine of theta. Since it's sine, that means it's going to be parallel. The directrix can't spell. The directrix is parallel to the polar axis, the x-axis. All right. Now EP equals 3, and we know our E here is 1. So if E equals 1, then my P equals 3, because if you plug it back in, 3 times 1 is 3. Now, what else do we know? We also know that this is going to be 3 units below the pole. Okay? So we also know that E equals 1, and if E equals 1, then that is going to be a parabola. All right, so let's go ahead and try to graph this. All right. So basically, my directrix is going to be 3 units below the pole. That's what the P was. So I go 1, 2, 3, and draw the directrix. All right. And now I have my origin here, or my pole. And remember, on parabolas, the vertex is at the midpoint. So, and for our angle, we're using still polar coordinates. So this is 3/2. And remember, on a circle, we're going to be using 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2 for our angle. So basically, since this is going down here, this is going to be 3 pi over 2. All right? And you can also plug it in. So I'm going to go ahead and write the equation again. We have R equals 3 over 1 minus sine of theta. So basically, you could plug it in that way. Now, we know that it's going to, since it's negative, it's the directrix is down. And we're also going to plug in pi. So this would be your pi type thing. This is your 0, pi over 2 area, and this is 3 pi over 2. And I'm not doing it right, but you're kind of looking at that. So to find out what to put here, what we're going to do is, let me take that out. Plug in pi. When you plug in sine of pi, you get 3 over 1 minus sine of pi. Well, sine of pi is 0, so we get 3. So we're going to just come over here and go out 3. 1, 2, 3. So this would be 3. That's your R, comma pi. That's your angle. Remember, we're using R, our polar coordinates. And then the same thing's going to happen when you plug in 0. So you plug in 0, sine of 0 is 0. So you have 3 over 1. So this is going to be 3, comma 0. And then we go from our origin, or my vertex here, and then just kind of go through there. And that's how you graph it. Okay. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.